What's up YouTube, it's Nejc Filipič here. So in this tutorial we're gonna make a simple chords from bassline and maybe even melody on the top. So this is tutorial in under 5 minutes. Let's go. So first I'm gonna go top and put 2 down, it's 128. And here we're gonna open the pattern and delete all of these keys. I'm gonna put replace and I'm gonna put follow keys and piano roll, so it's right here. So let's go. First bass is bassline, 4 beats per bassline. And that's it. Now that's first bassline, it's easy as it is, and now make it a chords which is simple as it is. I'm only using white notes, so go only these notes. And now go 2 up guys, 1, 2, 1, 2, twice 2 up. And we repeat here, repeat here, repeat here, and that's it. Easy as it is, easy guys, that's easy as simple. Let's call the chords. So because the chords is more complex, we're gonna open the middle one. We hold Ctrl of keyboard and select it, and Ctrl Shift on keyboard, so you can select multiple like this, and hold Shift and drag it octave down. Octave down means that if it's C4 it's C3, octave down is the same position, right guys? And that's it, that's how to make a chord. And now we can put melody. Melody is a bit more complex. We just select the top numbers, top only. Shift, drag it up, and scale it, and put house tempo. So that's not any more chords, just something bonus on to show us. And guys, that's it, that's simple as it is. So let's go on with the truth, just people if you forget. You first select create bassline, first is bassline, and then you put 2 up and 2 up, and then you hold the middle one and put it 1 octave down, which is in C3, 4 is C3. If it's this one, it's this one. If it's this one, it's this one. Easy as it is guys. And melody matches the first one, which is this, and it's melody. Okay, so my name is Nejc Filipič. Hope this is going to be useful for you. See you next time guys.